how Laravel makes Vito great. So I'm going to show you what things you can do with VitoDeploy's plugins thanks to Laravel. So let's just see. I've created a dummy plugin in this location, and I also ran the plugins load to have this plugin ready. So if I go to Vito, you will see the plugin is already installed there. So by default in plugins, you can register a service type, register a site type, a site action. You can do a lot of stuff, but there are some hidden stuff. I don't know, maybe hidden for some people, that you can do with plugins. They are just Laravel packages, right? So you can literally do everything. And thanks to Vito's structure, which is action pattern, you can do a lot of stuff. Let me just show you one quick example. Look, here, what I want to do, I want to create a server. Okay, so there is nothing in the plugins documentation says that you can change the server creation. You can bring your own server creation, right? But it is mentioned that this is a Laravel package, so you can do it, right? But how? Look, Vito uses these many actions. So for cron jobs, database, I don't know, server, scripts, anything. So for example, server creation has an action, right? This is the create server action. So what I will just do is, let's just copy this. I'm going to my own plugin, okay? And I'm going to create, create dummy server .php. Okay, so, and let's just create a class, namespace VitoDeploy dummy plugin, and class, what was the class name? Create dummy server. Create dummy server. Okay, so actually let's do this. What I just need is this create method, right? So I'll bring it here, user model, project, and some input. I don't want this to do something. I just want to throw an error and just show you how you can do it. So dummy create whatever. Okay, so this is the new action which I want to replace. Then you just simply go to your plugin service provider, and then app bind, and it should be create server, which is the actions, and now use create dummy server, and that's it. So I'm here, create server will call the endpoint I want. So just go and look at the actions, see how many actions are there. Literally everything in Vito is being done with actions, so you can override any of these. But soon I will be introducing the contracts for each actions, so you can even do it safely. So there will be contracts in the app directory for each action. Then Vito itself will use those contracts, and by default these actions will be bind to those contracts. See how flexible you can be in VitoDeploy. See you in the next one.